Welcome. This video is for educational purpose. In case if anything happen and you lose your mobile device or your system, you understand, which is linked to your UK TikTok account. So this video will help you to recover it. So without wasting much of your time, let's head on to our TikTok app. So when you open your TikTok app, you are going to tap at this three parallel horizontal line at the top right corner. So when you tap on that, you are going to tap on this particular settings and privacy. So when you tap on that settings and privacy, you will tap on this security and permission. So as you can see here, two-step verification is off. So if anything happen, this is what happened before after we grew a particular account to some extent. But because we did not turn this two-step verification, when our device lost, we were unable to recover the account and the account is still live, up to date, but we can't access it. But we are the ones that own it. So this two-step verification will help you. All right. So what you have to do is to tap on this two-step verification. So when you tap on it, you have to install a Google authenticator on your phone, on your device. So you have to go to your Play Store, install the app. Once you install the app, let me just show you the app. This is the app here. This is the app here, authenticator. Can you see it now? Authenticator. So once you are done with that, you will now come back to your TikTok app, then tap on this authenticator, tap on the authenticator, tap turn on. So what you have to do now is to copy this particular code. Do you understand? So when you copy it, you will come to this your authenticator app. You will come to this your authenticator app. You get it now. So automatically it is now. Do you understand? So the code has been added. So you don't need to add this particular phone number I'm talking about. You guys understand why. So you just tap on skip. Do you understand? So you add the trusted device. Can you see it now? So it is now on. Even if you lock your phone or your device, you can still recover because either you make use of the authenticator app, you have to install it and log into the authenticator app, making use of the Gmail account you use while creating your TikTok account. Do you understand? So once you are done with this, your two-factor authentication, do you see it now? Two-step verification is now what? On. The next thing you have to do, because this is one of the most vital and this is the last step, is most of us we have a lot of things in our brain. Do you understand? So you might not be able to remember all your Gmail accounts if eventually your phone lost. So the ability for you to recover the Gmail account determines if you can be able to regain your UK TikTok account or not. I don't know whether you understand. I'm not saying that your device will lost, but in case, you get it now. So what you have to do is come to your Gmail, to all your Gmail in your phone. This is a very vital backup to everybody. So when you come to all your Gmail in your phone, screenshot all the Gmail. Do you understand? So screenshot all the Gmail accounts you have. Now come to your drive. When you open your drive, that particular Gmail account you can easily remember without nobody telling you, without you gazing. I don't know whether you understand what I'm talking about. That is the particular Gmail account you are going to create folder. So when you create that folder, you can write on that folder Gmail backup. So after you create that folder, let me just say, for example, Gmail backup. So you just create the folder. Once you are done creating the folder, do you understand? So you open that folder. I don't know whether you understand what I'm talking about. So when you open that folder, you will now upload that screenshot of all your Gmail accounts in that folder. So once you are done with this, in case if anything happen coincidentally and something happened that you lost your device, provided that you can remember that one Gmail account, you can actually remember all of them because you are going to go to that Gmail backup and now check the names of that your Gmail account. And through this way, no matter what, you won't lose access to any of your social media handle. So if you find this video very useful, share it to some of your friends that are finding it hard. If anything just happen, they will lose access to their social media handle. And most importantly, subscribe and turn on notification on this channel because we'll be dropping important tips on daily basis. See you on the next tutorial.